Biomes and ecosystems. A biome is a large-scale biological community characterized by distinct climate, vegetation, and animal life. It is defined by the dominant plant types and climate patterns within a particular region. Ecosystems, on the other hand, are smaller-scale units within biomes, consisting of living organisms and their physical environment, functioning together as a system. There are several major biomes found around the world, each with its own unique characteristics. Tropical rainforest. Found near the equator, these biomes have high temperatures, abundant rainfall, and dense vegetation. They are home to diverse plant and animal species. Temperate forest. These biomes have moderate temperatures and abundant rainfall, with deciduous or coniferous trees as dominant vegetation. They can be found in regions with 4 distinct seasons. Taiga, boreal forest, located in the northern hemisphere, primarily in Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. Taiga biomes are characterized by cold temperatures, long winters, and coniferous forests. Grassland. Grasslands are characterized by vast areas covered in grasses and few trees. They are found in both temperate and tropical regions, with varying rainfall patterns. Savannas are a type of tropical grassland. Desert. Deserts are dry areas with very little rainfall and sparse vegetation. They can be found in both hot and cold regions, such as the Sahara Desert in Africa and the Gobi Desert in Asia. Tundra. Tundra biomes are found in the Arctic and alpine regions. They have extremely cold temperatures, low precipitation, and a short growing season. Vegetation mainly consists of mosses, lichens, and small shrubs. Aquatic biomes. These include freshwater and marine ecosystems. Freshwater biomes include rivers, lakes, and wetlands, while marine biomes include oceans, coral reefs, and estuaries. They support a wide variety of aquatic life. Ecosystems within these biomes are influenced by factors such as climate, topography, soil type, and the interactions among different species. They can include diverse habitats like forests, rivers, wetlands, and oceans, each with its own set of organisms adapted to the specific conditions. Ecosystems are dynamic and can change over time in response to natural disturbances or human activities. Certainly, here are some additional biomes and ecosystems. Chaparral, also known as Mediterranean scrub or shrubland, chaparral biomes are characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. They are found in regions with a Mediterranean climate, such as California, parts of Australia, and the Mediterranean basin. Alpine. Alpine ecosystems exist in high mountain regions above the tree line. They experience low temperatures, strong winds, and a short growing season. Vegetation consists of low-lying plants, mosses, and shrubs adapted to harsh conditions. Wetlands. Wetlands are areas where the soil is saturated with water, either permanently or seasonally. They can include marshes, swamps, bogs, and estuaries. Wetlands are rich in biodiversity and serve as important habitats for many species. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are marine ecosystems found in shallow, warm waters. They are built by colonies of tiny organisms called coral polyps. Coral reefs are incredibly diverse and provide a habitat for numerous marine species. Mangroves. Mangroves are coastal ecosystems found in tropical and subtropical regions. They consist of salt-tolerant trees and shrubs that grow in saline or brackish water. Mangroves provide vital breeding grounds for fish and act as buffers against coastal erosion. Polar regions. The polar regions include the Arctic and Antarctic. They are characterized by extremely cold temperatures, ice, and minimal vegetation. Polar ecosystems are adapted to survive in extreme conditions and are inhabited by species such as polar bears, penguins, and seals. Mountainous forests. Forests found in mountainous regions are known as mountain or montane forests. They occur at high altitudes and can have a mix of coniferous and deciduous trees. These forests provide important habitats and resources for various wildlife. Savanna. Savannas are tropical grasslands with scattered trees. They have a pronounced dry season and are home to large herbivores, such as elephants and giraffes, as well as predators like lions and cheetahs. These are just a few examples of the many biomes and ecosystems that exist on our planet. Each one has its own unique characteristics, species composition, and ecological processes, contributing to the overall biodiversity and functioning of the Earth's ecosystems.